Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming you're signed into the correct Teams account and have the necessary permissions. Once signed in, make sure your connection is stable and that admins haven't blocked app updates. Next, open Teams and click Apps in the left rail, then search for the specific app you need to update. This gets you directly into the app page so you can proceed without delay, and it ensures you're operating where updates are available and visible. Now you'll initiate the actual update. On the app's Teams page, review the details and click Update if that button appears. Otherwise, choose Manage, then Install Latest Version. For organizational or custom apps, go to the Teams Admin Center, locate the app, and upload the updated package or approve the new version. Make sure to communicate planned downtime if required. This prevents users from losing context. Once the update, finish by verifying the update worked. Open the app, check About or Settings for the new version number, and test core features quickly. If something behaves oddly, restart Teams and clear the client cache, because many issues resolve with a clean reload. If the update failed or is blocked by policy, escalate to your tenant administrator or re-upload a properly signed package in the admin center. Troubleshooting tip: capture logs and a screenshot of the error before contacting support to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.